Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be making a delicious fall-ready apple cinnamon coffee cake. In a medium bowl, you'll whisk together half a cup of packed dark brown sugar, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and use a fork to mix together all of your ingredients until they are nice and crumbly, then set it aside. You'll combine 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together and set aside. Add half a cup of softened unsalted butter, a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar to a large bowl. Use an electric hand mixer on medium-high speed to combine everything until the mixture is nice and light and fluffy. Next, you'll add 2 large eggs along with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Again, you're going to mix everything with your hand mixer until it's nice and smooth. Add 3/4 cup of plain full-fat Greek yogurt and again mix until well combined. You'll add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture and you're going to mix with your hand mixer on very low speed until the batter is nice and smooth and everything just comes together, being careful not to overmix. Line an 8x8 glass baking dish with parchment paper, and then you'll spread half of your batter into the bottom of your baking dish. Sprinkle with half of your streusel crumble evenly over the batter, then you're going to add your chopped fried cinnamon apples. You'll spread the remaining batter over top and finish with the remaining streusel. You'll bake your coffee cake in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow your coffee cake to cool in the baking dish for about 15 minutes. Then you can remove it, place it on a cutting board, slice and serve. Our apple cinnamon coffee cake is done. It's moist, it's delicious, it is perfect for fall and ready for your next hot cup of coffee. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.